Good morning to you all. This afternoon my husband and I plan to walk up Crook and Winder, so I'll find myself here in Settlebeck Gill. When you go up Settlebeck Gill, you will normally go up a raging torrent. Certainly it was last term in the Lent term. It's bone dry now because of April's complete lack of rain. So now you can just wander straight across without the fear of getting your feet wet, where earlier in the year you'd have had to step from rock to rock avoiding getting your feet wet.
This year sees the 5th year anniversary of Storm Desmond. It was on the first weekend of December 2015. Where I'm standing now, there would have been, I would think, about 5 metres worth of water on the evening of Saturday the 5th of December. There were significant social, economic and environmental impacts for Sedbergh and further beyond in Kendal from this extreme meteorological event.
So you'll all recognise this area. This is Fellgate, just above Lockbank Farm. This was taken the morning after Storm Desmond, so on the Sunday morning. You can see the huge amount of environmental damage that was caused by this storm event. This is Plank Bridge, taken at about midnight, just on the Saturday night, and you can see that the water levels are extremely high. And Plank Bridge at this particular time was just minutes away from collapsing, and you can see here this is what it looked like the next morning. And you'll recognise that it's obviously very different now. A lot of you will have been over Plank Bridge many times last term when you were running in the epics heading up towards Home Fell. Kendal was particularly badly hit by Storm Desmond, as was Carlisle and plenty of other places in Cumbria. You can see the photo on the left is what Castle Street and Ann Street would usually look like. It's what it looks like now. And the photo on the right is what exactly the same place looked like at about midnight on the evening of Saturday the 5th of December. And you can obviously see the huge social and environmental impact that Storm Desmond will have had on Kendal. And to show the effects of this on a personal level, the photo on the left is Mrs Kennedy's front room before Storm Desmond, and the photo on the right is the horrendous damage that was caused to her house after Storm Desmond.
Our thoughts today are on recovering from difficult events. Now, whilst we cannot compare the current global pandemic with a fairly localised climatic event, and I'm talking about the events of December 2015, we can compare the way the local people and the people of Kendal coped and recovered from the situations they found themselves in. We, in our world, will recover from this pandemic and things will get better.
In 5 years' time, in April 2025, Sedbergh School will be gearing up for some fantastic celebrations of 500 years of the school. We'll be excited, we'll be proud of all the school has achieved over 500 years. But in 5 years' time, we'll look back to the summer of 2020 and we will see that we have recovered, or possibly are still in the process of recovery. But we will recognise that we are in a better place. As our current national hero, Captain Tom Moore, says, things will get better. And in 2025, we will see that things have recovered and that things have got better. That's done.
Let's go up Crook and Winder now.